Hi guys, welcome to this episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. So today we are going to do our centerpiece requested by one of our community members, and her name is Jennifer, and she writes, "Good evening, MissPlanIt." Good evening, Jennifer. I just started following you on YouTube and Instagram yesterday, and I think I watched almost half of your videos already. Talk about binge watching. Love it. I'm getting married soon, and we have decided to DIY our own centerpieces. Ideally, I would like to keep them between $50 and $60. I love the way silk flowers look and would like to see how you could make something like this. Any tips or tricks would be great. Well, Jennifer, we're going to show you exactly how to make this in your budget. I'm so excited to show you a cool way to create a beautiful vase with $3 items from the Dollar Tree. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Tall Wedding Centerpiece with $3 Dollar Tree Vase. All right, guys, let's get to it. So guys, the best way to keep a centerpiece cost low is to create your own vase. Now don't worry, I'm going to give you both options in the description below. But for us to go ahead and save some money, we're going to use 2 Pilsner glasses, some E6000, and a fishbowl or a round candle holder. Now I prefer the candle holders with a lip on them. If you can find those, they are the best. But I put a link to what they have in Dollar Tree at this moment. So I'm putting both vases side by side so you can see the height difference. Now, the link to the trumpet vase in the description below is actually 24 inches, also the same height as the one that we just created. So you created very similar vases, but very different prices. So next we're going to take our 5-inch styrofoam ball, and I'm just going to make an indentation with the rim on our vase. Don't laugh at my ball. I reuse everything. You guys know this. Once you've made your indentation, you're going to go ahead and fill that center circle with a few of your hydrangea blossoms. That way, when your guests are sitting down at the table, they don't look up and see a green styrofoam ball. They see beautiful flowers, and it doesn't take away from your centerpiece. Add a little hot glue into your indentation and then place it in the rim of your created vase. The key to creating realistic centerpieces with artificial flowers and greenery is layering, guys. Layer, layer, layer. It creates the depth of an actual real centerpiece for a portion of the cost. Well, Jennifer, how did we do? She's a stunner. I love how they turned out, but I love even more that we were able to create it with 3 $1 items from the Dollar Tree to create a beautiful trumpet vase for a 10% fraction of what it would cost for an actual trumpet vase. You can't beat that. Well, guys, I hope you like it as much as we do, and if you do, go ahead and like us, and by all means subscribe so you'll know the moment our videos are posted. And if you just can't get enough of us, why don't you head on over to our social media? It is awesome. Before you do that, don't forget that all the links to the supplies and the project cost are right below in the description. Click on that little arrow, it'll take you right there. It says show more, and you will see all the links for your use. So once again, if you have a comment or you want to ask us a question, go ahead and put it in the comment section. It does take us a minute to get to them, but we have an awesome DIY community that would love to help you with your questions and talk DIY with you. In addition to that, don't forget you can follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and please check out our Pinterest page. It is awesome. In addition to that, don't forget to sign up for your Rakuten account. They pay you to shop. It was formerly known as Ebates. Super simple. Go down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you are ready to shop, sign on, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check in the mail for your shopping efforts. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast, but before we go, I want to remind you that we are now taking project requests for 2022. I know, isn't that crazy? We're going to be crossing over to a new year, and I'm praying that this year will just be full of blessings for everyone. So if you have a project request, please get it to us sooner than later, because our schedule fills up so fast, and I absolutely hate telling anyone no. Simply go to the link, click in that corner, click in that corner. It will take you right to our website, MissPlanIt.com, where not only can you sign up to get possibly your project posted on our YouTube channel, but you can also find great cost-saving tips from weddings to honeymoons to just all kinds of things, in addition to written and picture instructions for most of our projects. We have over 300. It's just blows my mind. So head on over there, get all of those cost-saving tips that we run out of time. We can't give you on our YouTube channel. So with that being said, I want to just thank everybody for choosing to spend time with us here on YouTube. We know you have so many options, and we don't take it lightly. And with that, always remember that when every penny counts, you can count on MissPlanIt. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.